Hello guys, I am Andrea from Cuoredicioccolato. Today we make a tomato sauce or tomato stew with the leftover that I have in the fridge and in the refrigerator. Who follow the channel know that I am in Thailand. In 1 week I will go back to Italy, so I need to empty the fridge and the refrigerator. Normal people probably have other stuff, but who follow the channel know that I like to make cold cut, so I have a lot of meat. If you want to follow the recipe, you can buy the fresh meat, don't worry. So for this recipe, I will use leftover from beef, because I use this meat to make Basturma. Here there is also a piece of Basturma, a little bit salty, we can use in the tomato sauce for improve the taste of the sauce. And here there is also a pork fillet. Why I have this meat? Because the idea was to prepare the pitina, video recipe that I done years ago that many of you already tried. So if you have tried, let us know down in the comment. The idea was this, but no time, so we have all this meat that we can use it today. Plus garlic. This garlic for me can last 1 year, so I will use only 1 clove of garlic. 2 red onion, tomato paste from the south of Italy, Gargano. But if you come more down in Italy to Salento, in Apulia, let me know. You can write me on Instagram. If you pass by to my house, you can taste something of my creation. At least I can offer you a homemade beer. Plus an orange. Yes, in Italy, in the south of Italy, we use also the peel of the orange in the tomato sauce. Some people also ask me, you never speak to us about Thailand, let us know something, the price of the life, the cost of the life, and so on. So 1 orange in Italy is 2, in Thailand is 2 euro. In Italy with 2 euro you can buy at least 1 kilogram. Let us know the price of the orange in your country. Maybe in your country is even more expensive. And plus here there is something very precious. Ta-da! This is the crust or the leftover from grana padana cheese. If you put in the tomato sauce, will improve the taste a lot, and after you can find it. So the lucky one will find this crust in the dish. Thank you, Luciana, that is my mother-in-law. Usually, by chance, always this finish in my dish. Cleaning the fridge, I found a piece of cheese. So it's 16 months age in Italy and 4 months here in Thailand in my fridge. Because this is a very, very important ingredient if you are Italian. So I store in the fridge and I store too well, so I was not able to find it until today. So let's start with the recipe. First of all, I will clean all the meat, because here there is also some nerve, some piece of skin. And after we will cut the onion, add 1 clove of garlic in the pot, and the fat from guanciale, but don't worry, you will find the written ingredient on the screen. In total 850 grams of meat. The pork loin was easy to cut, so big pieces. The one removed from the skin is kind of ragu, so will be a mix between stew and ragu sauce for our pasta or with mashed potato. So now we can cut the onion and the garlic and put in the pan. At the end, I decided to use only 1 onion, because 2 onions will be too strong and will cover the taste of the meat, so this onion I will use for other recipe. Now we can cut the guanciale in small cubes before we remove the rind, the skin outside. The skin we can put also in the pot because it's a little bit salty, a little bit of fat can go in our tomato sauce. When our onion and our guanciale is a little bit brown, we can add the meat and do the same. When the meat is a little bit brown, you can add half glass of wine or half glass of beer. I finish all of them. So I add 1 glass of hot water because now we need to add the tomato paste that is very dry. Here we have half can, so in total is 400 grams. Now I add the tomato paste. If it's too thick, I will add more water. Always hot water is better. In total, I add 4 glasses of water. Now we can add the leftover cheese, the crust, a piece of orange skin or orange zest, and the Basturma. If you want, you can add other spices, but already the Basturma have chili, paprika, nutmeg, and so on. So I think for me there will be enough. Put the lid on the pot and we should wait at least 1 hour. After 1 hour we will check if the meat is soft or not. Waiting, I will clean, I will put the onion apart. I can use to make a beans salad with my beans that I canned at home. And waiting, also I will eat my orange, €2 orange. See you later. After 60 minutes, it's ready. And here I found it. This is the cheese we put apart for later. For the tasting, I will use homemade bread that I make it close in a bag and store in the refrigerator. So how you should work it? Now we put in the microwave 30 seconds at the maximum power, still in the bag. Be careful because it's super hot. How we know if the meat is ready? If the meat is very soft that you can cut it with a knife, the meat will be spectacular. Really, really spectacular. The color is a bit ugly, but remember, more the sauce is dark, more the taste is spectacular. But now let's try the best ingredient here, best than the meat, the cheese. Really, really, really spectacular. If you like the cheese like me, even better than the meat. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to remember like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice, please let us know down in the comment. So guys, now I go to buy the pasta. I will make a spectacular pasta with the homemade tomato sauce. Also because I need to finish my Parmesan cheese aged 20 months. Bye bye!